Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website which will help you to make $600 daily. Go to zoombucks.com. On this website you can earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. Scroll down and see how it works. First, we want engagements. Advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Second, we recruit members. We find members willing to get paid for completing various actions. Last, you do online actions. Take surveys, complete offers, watch videos, and get paid with cash and gift cards. You can scroll down and see that they can give you different gift cards from many companies. Scroll up and create an account. Enter your email, create your password, and click on Sign Up Now. Or you can sign up with your Facebook or Google account. After that you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can watch videos, complete surveys, and do offers to make money. Let's choose surveys. And click on your surveys. Click on Start. And then you will be redirected to this page where you can complete this survey and earn money. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.